In this video I'm going to show you guys the best way I figured out how to make Cometeer coffee. First thing, you're going to open your freezer, pull out your favorite Cometeer coffee, and set that on the counter. Now I like to do this first because it starts to melt just a little bit, and then it comes out of the capsule a little bit easier. I'll just get a small saucepan and put about 12 ounces of water in it. But get your water to a rolling boil. And now that your Cometeer cup has been sitting out for a few minutes, I usually just give it kind of a squeeze all the way around the outside, and that's going to help it release from this cup. Let it sit and don't touch it for about 1 minute. Take a wooden spoon, and I just use the handle end. Give it a quick stir. And then once the coffee is at the temperature you prefer, go ahead and enjoy.